Hi, I'm Zach with Fortunato Research and Development, and today we're announcing our 520 Series Club Racer. The 520 Series Club Racer offers a lot of the adjustment range and precision tuning of our Pro 2-Way, but in a much more concise and easy-to-use package. Compared to our Pro 2-Way system, which requires significant setup time, custom line lengths, and even potential modifications to your chassis, the 520 Series Club Racer offers a remote canister, which is hard-mounted directly to the shock body for easy installation. The valving is custom tuned to each specific chassis. You have 8 steps of compression adjustment and 24 steps of rebound adjustment. While the 520 Series Club Racer only has about 25% of the compression adjustability range of our Pro 2-Way, it is significantly more adaptable than our 510. The 520 Series Club Racer offers a phenomenal middle ground between our 510 and our Pro 2-Way, with more tunability than the 510, but less complexity than the Pro 2-Way.